What's up guys, Techman05 here. Just doing a little bit of a survey video to kind of show you the damage. I got the fender off on the damage side. That way I can show you guys up close what's going on. As you can see, it obviously obliterated the whole header panel. The hood is damaged, the bumper is already off, the fender was damaged. The fender apron, as you can see, is damaged. I've been doing some research. This is about best time as any to learn how to weld. From what I've seen is if I break all these spot welds off, I can get this outer apron to come off, which I've seen the part online. Now the one I haven't seen is the one that's tucked in under here that mounts to the body, and I believe it comes down up here, bolts onto the body here. You see there's some seam filler. This is the other part that's damaged. Other than that, I don't see anything, but with everything out, this is about as good as time as any. I'm gonna go ahead and replace my rocker panels. I had to replace these fenders anyway. As you can see, they broke off from the rust. Now the other side, there's rust coming up through here where this body mount is. It's gonna be a lot of fucking work, but there's a hole right there that I'm gonna have to replace. So I don't know if I'm gonna need a donor vehicle or what, or just patch a patch panel. But the other side is even worse than that. So while this is all off and everything, the whole radiator support's gonna come off too. Anybody that's got any tips as far as welding, breaking welds loose, paint suggestions, chassis protectives. I don't really like POR 15. I tried that, and it actually made the rust on that side worse. So that's my little beater daily for now. I picked it up for just under $2,000 cash. It'll do the job. I'm actually about to change the oil. That's why I pulled this out, and I figured I'll show you guys the damage. So she's repairable. It's just going to be a lot of work, and but I think it'll be worth it in the end. I'll fix a lot of other problems, like the rust problems, while I'm at it. I'll clean that frame up with everything, the whole front clip off of it. I'll be able to get in there, clean the frame up, coat it, and I'm gonna also, when I put everything back together, that's all gonna be painted. I'm gonna put even a little bit of clear coat over it just to protect it in the future. So that's the update for now. It may be a while before I do another update, guys, because money's tight. So that's what's gonna stop me from doing another video. On top of that, I want to actually try to put some work in on her, try to get her back up and going, just so I have something else to drive. Still working my hands. I've been dealing with tendonitis, so I haven't really been able to do a lot of work like I've been wanting to. So that's been another wrench in the mix. So well, once I get the chance, I'm gonna start working on that. I just need to pull that head off, clean the stock heads, get the parts. I'm replacing the cams, and I can start putting that back together. I could probably do that in a few weekends if I really hit it hard. And I already got fenders for this. I need to sand it. I got the header panel and the grill, you see back there. So I just need a bumper. I need a bumper and a clean hood with no dents and dings in it. And as far as that goes, and then I'm gonna get the new core support and fender apron. So as far as that goes, that's about it for now. If any of you guys have any helpful advice, just leave them in the comments below, and I'll holler at you guys later. Out.